Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade buttermilk. Oh yeah. So there's quite a few recipes that call for buttermilk pancakes. There's different breads and different cakes that call for buttermilk as well. But what if you don't have access to it in your country, or maybe you don't want to go to the store and buy some? You can make it at home pretty easy. A very good substitute. It's not exactly the same buttermilk that you would buy at the store, but it's a very good substitute and very close. It only uses 2 ingredients. For this buttermilk substitute, all we need about 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, or you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. And we're gonna just cut this lemon in half. One, 2. It winds up being about a half of a medium-sized lemon. And then we're just gonna give this a good mix or a stir. Now just let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes and it'll thicken up a little bit and it'll be ready to use in your pancakes or breads or cupcakes, cakes, whatever you want to use it for. Come in here and check it. Nice, look at that. Nice, thick buttermilk substitute. All right, the buttermilk substitute is done. Super easy to do. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care.